Hello everyone, my name is Gitika. I wanted to take a moment to share my incredible journey with Advanced Hair Studio. I have been losing hair from past more than 2 years. I tried all the treatments like allopathic, homeopathic, Ayurvedic for the same, but not getting any result. And this issue was affecting my confidence. Then one day I came across the advertisement of Advanced Hair Studio on Instagram and booked my consultation with them. And there they explained me about the hair loss and hair fall in depth. They thoroughly checked my hair condition and accordingly they suggested me to go for the advanced laser therapy. This advanced laser therapy has not just addressed my hair issue but also given me a newfound sense of confidence. My hair feels healthier, looks better, and the best part is that I don't have to worry about excessive hair fall anymore. I want to express my sincere gratitude to the entire team and Advanced Hair Studio for their expertise and top-notch service. They have truly transformed my hair. I would highly recommend Advanced Hair Studio. They have made a significant difference in my life and I'm sure they can do the same to you. So don't wait and book your consultation now. Thank you Advanced Hair Studio for giving me back my confidence and healthier hair.